Jakom maraput mar somo e dul ma Gavana ma bende Gavana ma Kericho Eric mutai onyiso migawo mar omenda mondo ne ni gimiyo sikunde thuolo mokwongo e kinde mag pogo omenda. Wacho ni weche mag somo nego mi pek mowinjore. Kolose nyasi moro e skund sekondar manyiri ma Kipsigis kamano oyuore gi jatend jotich Felix Koskei. Gavana nowacho ni chiwo omenda go e wang' sa biro miyo chenro mag skunde ringo maonge ng'ikruok.
If competition don't get to schools on time, they have a huge number of teachers they need to pay. It is my belief that we are going to have conversation so that capitation will be treated as fast charge in the same manner that we are paying banking bills. And each time we are dispatching as government, we'll be able to dispatch capitation in good time.
When we had that, the capitation for exams is not in the budget. That one is going to deny students from poor families to sit for exams. I ask that it be reinstated.
The government is committed and very keen to ensure that our children, those who are in school, those who are in colleges, those who are in research institutions, play their role adequately well for this country.